Imagine buying a Ferrari, but you are forced to drive it on a dirt road full of potholes. That is the problem with modern artificial intelligence. Nvidia builds the Ferrari, the H100 and Blackwell GPUs, but inside the data center, the road, the copper cables and connections, cannot handle the speed. Signals degrade, data gets lost, the AI slows down. Enter Astera Labs, ticker symbol, ALAB. They are the road pavers of the AI revolution. They build the intelligent chips that keep data moving at the speed of light. Without them, the most powerful AI clusters simply cannot function at scale. We have analyzed their financial filings from their breakout year in 2024 through the explosive growth of the third quarter of 2025. The data reveals a company that has become the standard for AI connectivity. This is the financial story of Astera Labs, the bottleneck breaker. To understand Astera Labs, you must understand a problem called signal integrity. As chips get faster, electrical signals die out over shorter distances. In an AI server, this is a disaster. The 2024 10K reveals how Astera solved this. Their flagship product, the Aries Smart Retimer, acts as a signal booster. It grabs a dying signal, cleans it, and shoots it forward. In 2024, as hyperscalers raced to build AI servers, demand for these retimers exploded. Revenue didn't just grow, it multiplied. The financials show that Astera Labs was one of the fastest growing infrastructure companies in the world, riding the coattails of the PCIe 5.0 and 6.0 transition. They proved that boring connectivity chips were actually high-margin gold mines. Then came 2025, the year of deployment. The Q1 and Q2 10Q filings for 2025 show a company shifting into overdrive. Revenue continued its vertical climb as Amazon, Google, and Microsoft integrated Astera's chips into their standard reference designs. But it wasn't just about one product anymore. The Taurus Ethernet Controllers began to gain traction. AI clusters were moving from thousands of GPUs to tens of thousands. They needed to talk to each other over Ethernet. Astera's Taurus chips allowed them to do this over cheaper copper cables instead of expensive optics for short distances. The financials reveal immense gross margins, consistently hovering near 70%. This is software-like profitability for a hardware company, proving they have virtually no competition in their niche. Now let's look at the latest numbers from the Q3 2025 report. The narrative is evolving from connectivity to memory. AI models are getting too big for GPU memory. This is called the memory wall. Astera's new weapon is Leo. It is a CXL Memory Connectivity Controller. It allows CPUs and GPUs to share a massive pool of memory, breaking the physical limits of a single chip. The Q3 filings suggest that while retimers are the cash cow today, CXL is the rocket fuel for tomorrow. Despite heavy investment in R&D to stay ahead of the curve, the company remains financially robust. They are debt-free and generating cash, a rarity for a high-growth tech company. From 2024 to late 2025, Astera Labs proved that in a gold rush, you don't just sell shovels, you sell the path to the mine. They have embedded themselves into the very architecture of AI. You cannot build a modern cloud server without dealing with the physics of data movement, and Astera owns the solution to that physics problem. As long as Nvidia keeps making faster chips, Astera Labs will be needed to pave the road. Thanks for watching. If you want to spot the next essential infrastructure play, make sure to subscribe.